Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, isosolve natin yung lab na SQL injection union attack, finding a column containing text. So basahin natin. This lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in a product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. Okay, so it's very specific. Gusto nilang gawin natin is union attack. To construct such an attack, you first need to determine the number of columns and returned by the query. So this is very important, no? And ginawa natin to sa ating last video. So kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yung last video, click the previous video and in-explain ko doon kung paano siya gawin. So the next step is to identify a column that is compatible with string data. Okay? So kailangan string. Okay? So the lab will provide a random value that you need to make appear within the query results. To solve the lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that returns an additional row containing the value provided. This technique helps you determine which columns are compatible with string data. Okay? So let's access the lab. And here, kailangan natin muna hanapin yung category filter. No? So category filter, alam natin na nandito sa may refine your search, no? So let's corporate gifts. So ayan yung category filter. Let's do pets para maiksi. So category equals pets. And let's do a union attack. So again, sa isang SQL injection attack, kailangan medyo ma-imagine natin muna yung ating SQL query, no? So dito meron tayong category equals pets. So let's do select star from some table where category equals pets, no? So probably ganyan yung ating SQL query, no? So from the previous video, natutunan natin na pwede tayong mag-inject ng null, 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 'di ba? And null does not correspond to any data type, no? And natutunan din natin sa previous video na dapat yung number of columns sa left ng union and sa right ng union ay equal so that gagana yung ating SQL query. Okay? So, ano pwede natin gawin dito? First is to close the category and then do union select. Tama? And then let's assume na isang column lang, no? So, union select null and comment para mawala tong single quote na excess, no? So, let's try to use this payload. And enter. And we get an internal server error, no? So, meaning, hindi siya isang column lang, no? So, let's try to. So, again, copy and paste. Or, pwede lang natin idagdag dito sa URL. And still, internal server error. So, meaning, hindi lang 2 columns. Let's try to add another one. And let's copy and paste again. And there you go. Gumana, no? Gumana yung ating union select null, null, null. So, merong 3 columns na return yung ating SQL query. So, ngayon, kailangan na natin to make the database retrieve the string, this random string, no? So, pwede natin i-try na inject sa each and every position, no? So, pwedeng malay natin itong first column ay string yung data type, no? And we can check that by putting yung ating random string here sa ating first column, no? So, let's copy and paste. And nag-internal server error. Okay? So, meaning yung first natin na column ay hindi string. Okay? So, let's put null again. And lipat natin dito yung payload natin, no? So, ayan na. Nilagay natin sa second position and let's try this. And there you go. Gumana yung ating payload and we have solved the lab. So, meaning yung second column natin ay isang string yung data type, no? So, just for fun, we can try and determine yung data type ng first column natin, no? So, alam natin na hindi siya string. So, maybe integer siya. Maybe we can try 1, 2, 3, no? And let's copy and paste this. And there you go. So, 1, 2, 3. Meaning yung first column natin ay may integer. na data type. Okay? So this is gonna be very important when solving more difficult labs. So I hope nag-gets nyo itong video na to, and see you in the next video.